What up, LFL? What up? What up? What up? All right, we're just finishing up here. Now we got our oil. This is the best part of the whole process right here. This is the most satisfying part of the whole process. Is a little oil. Ooh. Ah. Look at that, guys. Tell me that don't look awesome. Yes, you got to put that much oil on, though, because the wood will absorb it. You don't want this thing cracking out on you. You don't want bacteria getting in there. It is like a P. Diddy party, though. If only P. Diddy used cutting board oil and not baby oil.